The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound T. Repeat after me. T. 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 In 22. Again, 22. Toe. Again, toe. Talk. Again, talk. Top. Again, top. Taste. Again, taste. Touch. Again, touch. Turkey. Again, turkey. Take. Again, take. What other words have the initial sounds of T? Guitar. Again, guitar. Pretty. Again, pretty. Cotton. Again, cotton. Beauty. Again, beauty. Bitter. Again, bitter. Little. Again, little. Butter. Again, butter. City. Again, city. Better. Again, better. What other words have the middle sound of T? T in best. Again, best. Fruit. Again, fruit. Coat. Again, coat. Chocolate. Again, chocolate. Right. Again, right. Late. Again, late. Wet. Again, wet. Get. Again, get. Eat. Again, eat. What other words have the final sound of T? Now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Coated chocolate. Again, coated chocolate. Beautiful butterflies. Again, beautiful butterflies. White little guitar. Again, white little guitar. Late trouble. Again, late trouble. Right foot. Again, right foot. Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? The coated chocolate is on the plate. Again, the coated chocolate is on the plate. 22 butterflies took their first fly. Again, 22 butterflies take their first fly. Coffee tastes bitter. Again, coffee tastes bitter. I already take my first step. Again, I already take my first step. This is the right way to the city. Again, this is the right way to the city. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound T. Repeat after me. T. T. I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.